TUDCA is one of the most underrated supplements for liver health, and one of the most misunderstood. Today I'm breaking down what TUDCA actually does, how it works inside the body, who should be using it, and when it makes sense, and when it doesn't. You have probably seen it, that little bottle with the strange acronym, TUDCA. If you've heard about TUDCA in bodybuilding, liver support, or hormone health, this video will give you a complete, no-nonsense breakdown based on physiology, not bro science. It sits on the shelves of supplement stores. It gets tossed around in online forums. Bodybuilders praise it. Biohackers tout it. Yet, it remains widely misunderstood and misused. This isn't a magic pill or a free pass to live unhealthy. We're cutting through noise and hype to empower you with knowledge. Let's demystify this four-letter acronym. TUDCA stands for tauroursodeoxycholic acid. It's a bile acid derivative, not a detox, not a stimulant. At its core, TUDCA is a water-soluble bile acid that supports bile flow, protects liver cells, and reduces cellular stress. Bile acids help digest fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Most bile acids are detergent-like and harsh if they build up in the wrong places. TUDCA is different, water-soluble, less toxic, and cytoprotective. Your body forms small amounts when gut bacteria metabolize bile salts, and they bind to taurine. Historically sourced from bear bile, it's now synthetically and ethically produced for supplements. Supplementing shifts your bile acid pool, diluting harsher acids with a gentler, protective one. It's a specific biological compound with a targeted role, not a vague detox agent. The most important job of TUDCA is to improve bile flow. Your liver makes bile stored in the gallbladder, released into the small intestine when you eat. Bile emulsifies fats into absorbable droplets and helps excrete waste like bilirubin and excess cholesterol. When it works well, you feel great. Problems arise when bile becomes thick, sludgy, slow-moving. Cholestasis. It can result from high-fat diets, certain medications, hormonal changes, and oral anabolic compounds. When bile stagnates, harsh bile acids back up into the liver, a toxic traffic jam. Cells get damaged, inflammation rises, and liver enzymes like ALT and AST spike on blood tests. TUDCA steps in by making bile more fluid and watery, a water-soluble bile acid that dilutes the sludge. Promoting cholestasis gets the traffic moving, encourages bile release, and improves gallbladder contraction. Thinner bile reduces back pressure on the liver, easing the toxic burden so cells can function. It's not just moving bile, it changes its nature to be less damaging and more efficient. Critical for those under strain, e.g., oral compounds, where maintaining fluid bile flow mitigates damage. For fat digestion issues, improved flow can mean comfortable digestion instead of bloating or discomfort. Beyond flow, TUDCA acts as a bodyguard for hepatocytes. Backup bile acids damage delicate membranes. Toxic buildup triggers apoptosis, programmed cell death, leading to inflammation, scarring, and fibrosis. TUDCA stabilizes cell membranes, reinforcing the fortress walls against harsh bile acids. It interferes with apoptosis pathways, inhibiting key molecules like caspases, the executioner proteins. In essence, hold on, don't self-destruct. The situation is being managed. On oral anabolics, bile flow can be severely impaired and toxic bile builds rapidly, spiking ALT/AST. TUDCA's dual ability, restore flow and shield cells from apoptosis, can be a game changer. It helps mitigate damage, giving the liver a fighting chance to weather the storm. It's not just flushing out the bad, it's actively protecting tissue already under assault. By preserving hepatocytes, TUDCA supports the liver's structure and function under high metabolic stress. Inside each cell is the endoplasmic reticulum, the protein folding factory. Proteins must be folded perfectly. Misfolded proteins are useless at best and toxic at worst. Under toxins, inflammation, or high metabolic load, the ER gets overwhelmed. ER stress. The unfolded protein response tries to cope. If stress persists, it triggers apoptosis. ER stress is implicated in liver disease, neurodegeneration, diabetes, and other metabolic disorders. TUDCA is a potent chemical chaperone. It assists folding, refolds misfolded proteins, and helps clear the backlog. By reducing misfolded protein burden, it calms the UPR and prevents the self-destruct switch. This goes beyond the liver. It's why TUDCA is being researched across systems, including brain and pancreas. Misfolded proteins mark Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In the pancreas, ER stress impairs insulin production. By resolving ER stress, TUDCA helps restore cellular homeostasis, a foundational systems benefit. For athletes and biohackers, that means quelling a core dysfunction triggered by intense training, poor diet, and lifestyle stressors. After the mechanisms, let's summarize the practical benefits in simple, clear terms. Supports bile flow, helps protect liver cells and reduce ALT and AST, promotes healthy bile flow, thins bile to prevent toxic backup, aids fat digestion and vitamin A, D, E, K absorption, reduces cellular stress, acts as a chemical chaperone to relieve ER stress, may support metabolic health by easing liver stress, indirectly aiding insulin sensitivity. These benefits are interconnected. Improve bile flow, protect liver, better fat digestion, less gut inflammation, better nutrient absorption. TUDCA is not a supplement everyone needs daily. It is a specialized tool. Use should be targeted and strategic. Best for people placing identifiable strain on liver and digestion. If you fit these categories, consider a cyclical or short-term protocol. First, individuals using oral anabolic compounds or potentially hepatotoxic medications. Orals often cause cholestasis and elevate enzymes. Using TUDCA during such a cycle is harm reduction, maintaining flow and protecting cells. Anyone with a high supplement or medication load may benefit periodically. Those with signs of liver stress, consistently elevated ALT/AST, should address root causes with a doctor. TUDCA can be an adjunct to help bring numbers down. Struggle with fat digestion, especially on high-fat or ketogenic diets? Bloating, right upper quadrant discomfort, or greasy stools may suggest sluggish bile. TUDCA can thin bile and improve comfort. Biohackers, health optimizers. Reducing ER stress suggests theoretical longevity applications and protection against age-related cellular decline. Key takeaway: TUDCA is used in response to a specific challenge. Active strain, objective markers, or clear symptoms of poor bile flow. A problem solver, not a daily multivitamin. Match the tool to the job. Understanding benefits helps you identify when that job is at hand. Remember, TUDCA doesn't clean the liver. It lets the liver function as it should. Just as important as knowing when to use TUDCA is knowing when not to. More isn't better. Long-term indefinite daily use can disrupt natural feedback loops. Main concern: altering bile acid composition long-term may change gut flora balance. TUDCA is generally safe short-term, but year-round dosing isn't fully understood. Use for a defined period, 4 to 8 weeks, then take a break and reevaluate. If you're healthy, digest fats well, and have normal enzymes, you likely don't need TUDCA. Taking it just in case wastes money and adds unnecessary metabolic burden to a well-functioning system. Recommendation: use TUDCA during cycles to normalize elevated enzymes or to adapt to a new high-fat diet. Then stop, take a break, return to baseline, and reassess. Be strategic, not dogmatic. Most people use between 250–500 milliliters per day, split with meals. Start low, assess response. Higher doses aren't better and can cause digestive upset. Take with meals, ideally breakfast and dinner. If diarrhea occurs, reduce the dose. Hydration and healthy habits improve results. TUDCA isn't magic, but used correctly, it can reduce liver stress, improve digestion, and protect long-term health. If this helped you understand TUDCA properly, like, subscribe, and comment if you want a breakdown comparing TUDCA to NAC or milk thistle.